Welcome to Reviify. Watch this video to find out how to activate review pop-ups in your Shopify store. In our previous videos, you could find out how to install Reviify and import reviews. After making reviews visible, you should also activate review pop-ups. The easiest way to do that is to go to the Wizard tab and find Pop-ups. Click Install Now. You can see that pop-ups are now active and visible in your Shopify store. The other way to activate pop-ups with Reviify in your Shopify store is to insert code into the theme you're using. You can find all the codes you need in the Help section on the Reviify Dashboard. Also, these codes will be available in the description of this video. First, in the Shopify panel, go to Online Stores and then choose Themes. In the current theme, find Actions and Edit Code. Now we're going to activate pop-ups. The first step is to go to the Layout folder and pick the theme.liquid file. Check, do you have this code inserted? It should be in the bottom of the page. As you can see, the code is already there, but if you don't see it, copy the code, paste it, and click the Save button. Then, also in Layout, in the theme.liquid file, above the previous code, insert this code. Click Save. You can see that pop-ups are now active and visible in your store. That's all. See you in another video.